Welcome to Doba tutorial. In previous videos, we have shown you how to connect your Shopify and Wix stores. Today, we will show you how to connect your eBay store. As always, we will explain the process step by step. Now let's begin. Step 1. Please log into your retailer account. Click Stores. Step 2. Click Connect a new store, select eBay, then click Next. Step 3. Enter the store name. Click Connect. Step 4. You will be redirected to the eBay login page. Enter your email and your password and click Sign In. Step 5. On this page, you need to grant Doba access. Please read the words carefully and click I agree. Step 6. You will be redirected back to Doba. You will see Authorized successfully. Just click OK to finish. Then on the Stores page, you will find your eBay store is activated and authorized. Now you are ready to go. Next, you may adjust your store settings and add some hot-selling products to your eBay store. Sync and manage your orders, shipping, and inventory from your eBay store right here on Doba. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like this tutorial video, please subscribe for more.